Hello, sixth graders. Today we are learning about nouns. As always, I put a heading, nouns. Now, nouns are hopefully something that you learn in elementary school. And in case not, this is a great lesson for you. Or if you did, this will be a great refresher for your brain. So, the definition of a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are the subject of a sentence. Nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are the subject of a sentence. Sixth graders, nouns are one of those things that you've been identifying in sentences for a long time. And the only piece that may be a little confusing to you or may make you question is that I said idea. So you all probably know that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Idea is that kind of that newer thing that we bring to you in sixth grade. So let's start by just going over some examples. My first example, and I'm going to write my examples down here below, my definition. Example number 1. The bakery has fresh donuts. The bakery has fresh donuts. Now, sixth graders, this sentence actually has 2 nouns. The first noun is bakery because that is a place. The second noun in this sentence is donuts because those are a thing. So the bakery has fresh donuts. 2 nouns, bakery and donuts. The next example is that is the cutest dog. Well, sixth graders, the noun in this sentence is dog. The person, place, thing, or idea. And finally, here is our last example. Our last example is love is a beautiful thing. Now, what is the noun in this sentence? Well, this is connecting back to the definition where we added idea. So a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Well, in this case, love is the noun of this sentence. Now, the reason that the definition or that the noun is love, which is under the idea category, that just means that we can't physically see love. Love is an idea. You can't actually see it. People act in loving ways, but in this case, love is a noun, and that ties into the definition where a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, below here, sixth graders, this next part will have to do with your IXLs this week. Nouns are broken up into 2 sections, okay? or there are two kinds of nouns. And underneath here, I think a T-chart would be really beneficial for us. So I'm going to make a T-chart. There are two types of nouns, sixth graders. There are common nouns. Oops. And proper nouns. Each of these still follow this definition that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So these are both nouns, just two different types of nouns. A common noun is a noun that does not name a specific person, place, or thing. A common noun is a noun that does not name a specific person, place, or thing. Common nouns are very general, sixth graders. They are just ordinary things or places. It's not specific. So some examples of a common noun are things like a football. Or another example would be a dog. Or a table. Or city. These words here, sixth graders, are all examples of common nouns. Common nouns are just very general nouns. They're still nouns, but it's not specific. It's not being specific in terms of what football team, or what dog, or what city. They're all still nouns, they're just not very specific. So the other type of nouns are proper nouns. Proper nouns are... So a proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, or thing. So, some examples for proper nouns are, for example, we wrote city over here under common nouns. That's a noun, but to make it a proper noun, we need to be specific. Which city are we talking about? Well, a proper noun could be New York City. That is an example of a proper noun. Another example of a proper noun, and this is true for everyone, is your name. So, for example, Miss Vredenberg is a proper noun because it is specific to my name. Now, sixth graders, here's a hint for you. Here's an extra special hint that will help you, especially when doing IXLs this week. And I'm going to put a star here because this is my hint for you. Proper nouns have capital letters. This, sixth graders, is your hint. This hint will help you. As you notice, my name is capitalized because it is a proper noun. New York City is capitalized. Any proper noun is capitalized, sixth graders. So if you aren't sure if a noun is common or proper, well, just think. Proper nouns are capitalized. That hint will help you tremendously while doing these IXLs. So, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. There are two types of nouns. You can either have common nouns or proper nouns. Common nouns are just very general terms that are not specific, whereas proper nouns are specific. They are naming a specific person, place, or thing. So, like I said, New York City or Miss Vredenberg are proper nouns. And the big hint, proper nouns are capitalized. Make sure you get all these notes written down, sixth graders, and once they are done, upload to Canvas. Thank you.